Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are doing the most simple of simple silver leaf nail art. I am going to be using the stickers from the nail art drama box, so make sure you check that link down below. We are starting off with Classically from Ever After Polish on all of our nails, and then I am grabbing this silver leaf foil from Hollow Glam Decals. It is incredibly delicate and thin. It is silver leaf, it's not foil, so you do need to be careful with it. But it is so simple to just kind of pick it apart, and then you just press it down flat onto the nail and top coat as usual. I'll link the top coat that I used down below. For the nail drama box, I use these silver, they're almost like tattoo stickers. They are very different from just a regular sticker, incredibly tacky, no top coat needed for these guys. I wore these for a couple of days just as is, and then I took off the sticker and put on a different design, which you guys will be seeing later. I love them. I hope you guys love this simple classic look as well, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.